Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our curry, I'm just going to get a little bit of, I've got the pan, my pot's been heating up on a high heat, so I'm just going to get a bit of, actually it's more liquid than coconut cream into the pan. Actually, I'll just put in a bit of oil. But if you've got some lovely like coconut cream that's on the top of the can, you can use that. And then you just want to fry the curry powder. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoons. This is like a medium curry powder. But you know, it's up to you if you want it milder. It really depends on the curry powder that you're using. And if you're using a curry paste, like 3 or 4 tablespoons is probably where you want to be. So we just want to give that a little stir so it's fragrant. Then I'm going to get my veg in. So I've got some cooked, this is mostly cooked silver beet, so greens, chard, rainbow, actually no, I think it's rainbow chard. So we're getting that in. Oh, it smells amazing. And some cooked protein. So I'm using, this is some cooked brisket. It was lovely, slow cooked and been barbecued, so it's going to add beautiful smoky flavors. So I think I'm using about 400 grams of protein and about 500 grams of cooked veggies, but you know, you can change around that ratio and use more veggies, less protein, it's up to you. And also depends on what leftovers you have. So just going to break that up a bit, and then we'll get the rest of our coconut cream in. Here it is. It's all. And if you don't have coconut cream, you could use stock, you know, just something to make it a bit liquidy. And then we'll get in some, you could use a can of tomatoes, but I'm going to use some tomato passata, so about half a jar. So which is about 1.5 cups. And this is going to make it quite a liquidy curry, almost quite soupy. So, you know, you can always use less passata if you want it to be a more concentrated curry. And then I'm just going to simmer that to bring the flavors together for a couple of minutes. After the curry's been simmering for about like 5 minutes, really, you just want it to warm up and for the flavors to come together. But if you want it to be more reduced, you can always simmer it for longer. Like, it's really up to you. And I should have mentioned earlier, you can use raw veggies as well and just, you know, simmer them in the sauce until they're cooked. It doesn't have to be all pre-cooked veggies. And if you wanted to, you could, like, you know, brown an onion first or brown some garlic first before you add the curry powder. So it's really, you know, whatever you've got, using that and getting creative with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I have a taste and season. You can always add more curry powder if you want more spice, or some chili powder if you want it a bit hotter, or if you want it creamier, you know, some cashew butter can be really lovely. But yeah, that's pretty much the curry. And then I serve it in big bowls. You can serve it with rice if you like. And just top it with something to make it look pretty. So, you know, you could use some fresh herbs. Coriander's usually great, or mint, or basil, or some roast nuts. So today I'm going to use some roast cashews, and that's your curry all good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.